Welcome to our daily movement session where we boost mood, elevate energy, and so much more. Let's begin. Today is a Qigong inspired movement session. We're going to move gently, but with real focus and intention. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. We're going to boost mood, elevate energy today, build amazing strength and mobility, develop this incredible consistency and discipline. Let's just bring real presence into every single movement for the next 10 minutes and carry that through for the rest of our day. One more here. Now, just a very gentle twist. Tap your body. Shift your weight from side to side. We are not waiting until January to transform our lives. We're going to take this month, make it the greatest month of the year, and continue to show up for ourselves with our movement, with our mindset, and take real action throughout the month that we truly can be that best version of ourselves. Just notice everything you feel here. We can move with just a little bit more pace. Shift your hips out a little bit more. Maybe give yourself just a little bit more of a tap. Feel the aliveness of your body. Okay. Now, bring your stance in a little bit more narrow. Open and close. Just open up real wide up top. Very gentle, slight bend of the knees, and bring your arms in. Head up high. Let's breathe in and out. Just the gentlest of squats. But just notice that strength in your shoulders. Try to bring your shoulder blades together, that mobility you're creating. Move slowly and with awareness. Calm the nervous system. Any one of these movements today, take it and use it throughout your day for even 30 seconds and see how that can make a great shift. If you get caught up into overthinking, if your body's just feeling a little stiff, you need an energy boost. One more here. Oh, great. Bring your hands to your sacrum. And just for a moment, let's gently circle our hips. And really notice here, when you get to each direction, feel it in your pelvis, in your hip, your sacrum, hip, pelvis, and just notice. Breathe. Let's reverse our circle. Maybe this is a good opportunity to lift up the corners of your mouth and smile. We get to move today. Wow. That shifts right there. Rather than I have to exercise today, I get to move my body. I have to go to work. I get to go to work. That one doesn't work as well with kids. You get to go to school today. You don't have to. They don't quite see it like that yet. But little by little, just keep planting the seeds. One more, really mindful circle. Oh, well done. Now, let's squat down, cross your arms, reach up, big circle overhead. Squat down, cross your arms, and up they go. Just notice, just be. Look up to the sky, feel that mobility in your neck. Maybe you can squat down just a little bit deeper. Amazing strength. Strong legs, sharp mind, long, healthy, happy life. One more here. Oh, nicely done. Come into prayer posture. We're going to do just a very gentle and simple prayer wheel. You're going to step forward, make a nice intentional circle, step back, reverse that circle, and keep going. You can squat down just a little bit. Just notice. You can breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Find a nice flow that works for you. Get down a little deeper. Maybe you step just a little bit further. Slow and intentional. One more to each side. Bring everything into this movement. Feel it in your shoulders. Brilliant. Now, we're just going to rise up onto the balls of our feet and then squat down. Rise up, gentle squat. Building great balance. Engage your core here. Just do your very best. Do not compare yourself to me or anyone else. Where you're at is perfect. It's perfect that you have a desire to get just a little bit better, a little stronger. One more. Let's just hold it there for a moment. Just stay on the balls of your feet. Really engage. Just be. If you stumble and fall, just come right back to it. What a great opportunity to start anew. Oh. Wiggle your fingertips. Come up onto the balls of your feet and just shake it out for a moment. Okay. Excellent. Now, we're going to twist. Sink down, rise up and twist. Sink, rise up. I like to breathe in here and out. Breathe in and out. Just notice. You can go with a little bit more pace if you feel like it. You can slow it down. It's your body. It's your movement. Choose what's best for you. But try to twist maybe a little deeper. Squat a little lower. Oh, maybe you get a nice crack. Again, remember to smile. One more to each side. Oh, brilliant. Now, very slowly and intentionally, Swing your arms, raise your leg, head up high. Just flow. Feel the energy just flowing through you. Full body. Just move dynamically. Twist a little into it. Be playful. Wow. One more here. Oh, brilliant. I hope your mood is boosted, your energy is elevated. If nothing else, let me know, please, how you're feeling after this session. Let's just take one moment. Laser-like attention. Maybe you want to choose this old windmill. Just practicing paying attention, focusing, removing distractions. Our attention is our most valuable resource. I'm going to come into prayer. I'm going to shift my body weight. Do as you like. Maybe you just want to stand still. But pick that spot. Notice when your mind wanders off and bring it gently back. You can breathe into one side and out on the other. Let's go. And shake it out. Movement is magic. Thank you so much for being here. Continue to show up for yourself every single day. I'm truly grateful to you. I will see you again tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.